today's video, we will be rating Ryan Trahan's product, Joyride Sour Pink Lemonade Strips. So, yeah, this is also my first video with my face in it, so, yeah. Okay, why are they stuck together? These look good. I took a whole clump out of them. Okay, this is what they look like. Okay. They have a good flavor. Oh, okay, they have a kick of sour. Overall, it's also pretty healthy. So, overall, I think I'm gonna rate it, well, an 8 points, no, a 9 out of 10. I hope you all have a good day, and peace out.